Here we are, progress so far. The red oxide's only on there just to protect the paint until I actually do the main paint. I'll be rubbing all this off and then priming it and painting it properly. As you can see, I've welded in not a brand new panel, it's an original panel. I've also replaced the main bar along here. You can see a small weld down there. Currently working, just doing this top here, just drilling out the spot welds currently. As you can see, quite a lot. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, I've got the roof in two halves. So that's one half, which is going to go along the front and halfway down the side, and then obviously I'll weld in the other half on the rear bit. I'll go back round to the front. I've discovered this at the bottom, so this is going to come out. Bit of treatment to do behind there. I suspect probably a bit underneath. That'll be the last bit, and then the plan is to spray that front bit of the roof and this front, so that bit's kind of half finished, at least protected from the weather. I'll go around to this. I have put a weld in here. I've got to do a cleaning down on this, rust ahead with my plans a bit. So I've got a big assortment to sort out in here. To be fair, I don't think the wires are that bad. There is the odd wire going off here and there. I mean, none of them are rotten or anything like that. This obviously the earthing points will need cleaning out. I will remove what needs removing and keep what needs to be kept. New heater blower needs to go in there. I am going to put two new steps in. So I could patch that one, but I think it'd just be nice to have two new ones. And I've got a few little holes there to deal with. For the price of the floors and the size of the hole, around your belt, just to treat all underneath, paint it, and obviously weld up the bits need doing. If anybody can tell me, I'm sure there's supposed to be some bars going across there. Obviously I think that whole panel is going to have to be replaced. See, that's one bit off already done of the roof. That will be the actual colour of the van, blue, which in my opinion is quite nice. And they are the popper cans I'm using at the minute. The rear actually seems to be in fairly good condition. There was a little bit down here somewhere there, it's going to have to be done. Bumper's got to come off. I mean, it's obviously the usual little knickknacks to do. It's going to have white bumpers. I may invest in going and get them chromed. I don't know if it's really worth it or not, but possibility. A little hole there. I'll take that off another body cut which I've got. Weld that in. As I say, by far this is the worst side. I put duct tape over all the bits that are about to try and prevent any water getting in. That door I'm probably just going to replace it rather than do all the fiddly welding on it. New rubbers all the way around. And it's going to have a totally new interior in it with all the mod cons. We're going to keep the original 1.6 air-cooled engine. We're not going to replace it.